Hi, I'm Cooper from Keyless Entry Systems, and today we are proud to announce our new product on the Keyless Entry Systems website, the UL110. Take it away, Rob.
Okay, thanks Cooper. Hi, I'm Rob from Keyless Entry Systems, and today I'd like to introduce you to our latest Bluetooth lock, the UL110. Has 3 entry options: physical key, keypad, and Android and iOS apps. Now, when you need to allow access to the home and you're not there, we have 2 options. We've got the send e-key and we've got the send passcode. The difference between the two: the e-key, the user needs to download the app and create an account on the TT cloud-based software. The passcode, you can simply generate the passcode and text them the passcode. And you do not need to be in contact with the lock to do this. So you can be anywhere in the world and do either of these processes, and the user will be able to enter the home based on the parameters that you set within the lock. Okay, so now we're going to send a OneTime passcode. So we hit the send passcode button. Okay, and we hit one time and then generate. Okay, so we've got the request success. Now I need to send this to somebody because it's no use being with me. So we hit the little arrow out button here, and I've got WeChat or message. So I'm going to send via message, and away we go. So now you can see that you've got the passcode, the time. Now with OneTime passcodes, they're only active for 6 hours. Okay, so I'm going to go and just show here. We're going to go and enter this one in. So 686-70913 and hash, and away we go. Okay, now when we activate, when this lock rearms itself and I try and enter that code in again, I shouldn't be able to do it. So 686-0913. Okay, and there you go, one time only. So the next one we're going to configure is the timed passcode. Okay, so we just hit the timed button. We put our activate time, which is, I'm going to leave it at 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Okay, hit OK, hit generate. Beautiful. Okay, so now I come to the lock. Push to unlock. And then after 6 o'clock, we're going to do this again, and it shouldn't let us in. Now remember, before we set up a code to expire, so now we can see that it has actually expired. So if I try and enter that code in, no, you can't get in. So that'll do. Okay, so the last one we're going to show you today is the cyclic passcode. So this one I'm going to select for the weekend between the hours of 5 and 6 o'clock. Select generate. Okay. Now if I come here, put in my passcode. Done. So the process we're looking at the moment is to delete all of your passcodes. Now there's no need to do this because, as you can see, once they expire you won't be able to use it. So if I just go and try and put this code in here, I just highlight 12615 and hit hash. No, you can't get in. So I want to get rid of these so I don't, just keeping everything clean. So hit reset passcodes, which will give you a warning. And now if we have a look, you'll see it communicating with the lock in a moment. Yep. And then operation successful. Okay, down the bottom there. Now if we just wanted to delete one code and not all of those codes, simply swipe across and delete. Yes, I do want to delete it. And done. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the e-key process now. So for the user to be able to use an e-key, they have to download the app. It's either Android or iOS. And they have to create an account with TT Lock. Okay, so simply just press e-key. You have the choice of timed or permanent. I'm going to stay with timed. And paste in our username. Set the expiry time, which we'll just do a couple of minutes ahead. Okay. And then OK. Okay, so now we can see the other phone has now received it. And we just unlock. Now you remember before with our e-key we set it to expire in a few minutes. Now we can see already that that's expired and we can't unlock the lock anymore. Now if we want to have a look at what time that was active for, we can see here the start and end dates. Okay, you've also got the lock ID and the battery power. Now we can delete this off the phone by simply hitting delete and entering our code. And done. Okay, we're now ready. If we want to, we can send ourselves another e-key. Now, if you want to have a look at who has entered the home and at what time, we simply hit records. And we can see everyone that's entered the home based on whether it's app or whether it's passcode. Now you can filter on app unlock. We can see there's only one. App unlock. It shows our other users, or we can search. Okay, so we have a number of options, but the record functionality is quite detailed. You can see time, date of entry. And that was some of the features of the UL110, the latest Bluetooth lock in the keyless entry systems range. If you have any queries about this lock or any others on our website, please don't hesitate to call us on 1300 873 539. Thanks for watching.